subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates.
Hello friends, welcome to PSD Vlogs. This is Pramod Dasare. Welcomes you to the new vlog. That is we are unboxing one package we have got from the Amazon today. So what we need, and package and scissor and most probably mobile, as it is in power bank and cable cord. So starting with the package is in good condition. You can see it here. It's completely packed. Sorry for the out of focus. So we will put it here. Let's cut now. This is what we have got in package, nothing else. Good wrap pack. And this is the power bank we have got from the EMI store. That was the Amazon. More probably we'll open this, and there is MI A1 4.3 full charge, iPhone 7 full charges, iPad mini 2.5 charges, two-way quick charge, lithium polymer battery, anti-scratch assistant, scratch for security code, here it is there, and it is about 20,000 mAh power bank. So model number is PLM06ZM. Cell capacity is 20,000 mAh, 3.7 volt and 74 watts. Input in micro USB, input 5.0 volt, 2.080 ampere, 9.8 volt. Output port is good. The principal Xiaomi Technologies, manufactured iPad technology, India, made in India concept is there. You can see their logo. And just unboxing it. Just opening the package. Packing is good. So what we have got the battery. That's the power bank. Your seal. Just open the seal. It's fresh. And what we have got is power data cable to charge the mobile. Probably I will not need this. And this is the battery what we have got, and this we will connect to the iPhone 6s and see that the main function of this, the main features of this MI lithium battery, that is the moreover talking about 20,000 mAh lithium polymer battery, and it's an MI producer is there, and probably there is a discount on this. The Amazon is giving discount is about $15.99. So you go and check out the website for the best deals. It's a white color, and just we will look after that that whether it is charged or not. Oh, it's full. Oh no, it's only 2% charge. Then just we will plug it and see that whether it is charging. It's blinking, so it is saying that it's to charge. This Apple cord, and we connect to this, and it is charging. You can see there the so-called water focus that. It's charging, just 12% we have the battery, and it's charging. So you can have this power bank, good power bank, and good to go. And you can have this scratch code, so you can have that the product is it's an MI power bank or not. We will talk about the review. Moreover, the packing is good. Packaging was really good. And talking about the power bank, this stiffy good body, and two-way power charge, one-way plug-in. It's good product. However, let's look at it there it goes.